They are my experiences for the foundation and in life.
Yeah.
It went absolutely no masala.
Oh.
When I write for children, I become soft. You know,
Yeah.
I want something positive and happy ending, funny.
Yeah.
Children like stories of myself. It is nice to have a social media probably when you are young, but you should not put too much. What, how many likes I have, what comments I have, how many followers you have. अरे होल वर्ल्ड में भी फॉलोइंग सो व्हाट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया सब मेरे पिताजी को बोलते थे अरे वो लड़की आई भी नहीं है यूनिवर्सिटी में तो कैसे करेगी उधर टॉयलेट नहीं था कि वो लड़की कुछ नहीं कर सकती है उधर उसको बोल दो नहीं करने के लिए हमने किया तो आई कंसिडर विमेन आर स्ट्रॉन्गर बट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड देयर पोटेंशियल दे ऑलवेज थिंक वी आर विमेन वी कांट डू यू कैन डू एनीथिंग इफ यू वांट बट योर माइंड शुड बी रेडी फॉर
Today we have a personality who needs no introduction, and ma'am, I would like to begin with something that will bring an even more big smile on your face. Can you please tell us about Gopi?
ओके मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलूँ
Yes, ma'am.
चलेगा
Sure.
चलेगा चलेगा ओके वेल गोपी गोपी मैं कोशिश करती हूँ हिंदी में गोपी मेरे कुत्ता है लेकिन मैं कुत्ता कभी नहीं बोलती हूँ गोपी इज़ माई डॉग बट आई नेवर कॉल हिम अ डॉग ही वॉज माई सन्स डॉग एक्चुअली माई सन्स नेम इज़ रोहन मूर्ति एंड he got the dog and he told me, Amma, I'm going to London for 4 days and I will come back. Will you keep this dog Gopi with you? I'll come and take him. I said, fine. So I kept Gopi with me. He went to London and he came back after 8 months because there was a corona lockdown. He could not come at all. 8 महीने में गोपी मेरा हृदय का भाग हो गया. So he became my friend. I love him so much. And one day, one publisher came and told me, ma'am, you should write new books. I said, I don't have any ideas. How can I write? That time Gopi came to meeting. They saw Gopi and they said, why can't you write on Gopi? Then I thought I will become Gopi.
Yeah.
And how I will look at a human being. So I just thought, let me write that way. So I wrote, it became very well.
The world through his eyes.
Yeah. The world through Gopi's eyes.
Alright.
Is Gopi Diaries.
Okay. Ma'am, we have heard you have been fascinated towards books since childhood. So please tell us about your love towards books and your journey.
I was born in a village, 75 years back, 74 years back. There was no electricity. In our village, there was no electricity.
Yeah.
So there was no TV, there was no radio, there was no cinema. Only companions were books.
Yeah.
And we had a small library in the village. I finished reading in within a year I finished all the books.
Okay.
So my love for reading started in a very young age because it was a diversion, it was an entertainment and I enjoyed reading. It cultivated. Even today I read at least some pages before I go to bed.
Okay.
Once I went to somebody's house, and they did not have any books in their cupboard. I said, how poor they are, I felt it. Okay? Books means a lot.
Ma'am, which genre is your favorite? Like autobiographies, biographies, or no problem, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am. You can take the mic. It's no problem. Autobiographies, biographies, or fiction.
It is not only one. When I was very young,
Yeah.
I was fascinated by novels.
Okay.
Later, I was fascinated by biographies. Then I was fascinated by, that's my Gopi.
Yeah.
Then I was fascinated by the real life experiences.
Okay.
Now I prefer to read unbiased history books.
Okay.
So it goes on changing. Then I like travelogues.
Yeah.
So now I read novels relatively less,
Alright.
but I enjoy travelogues, real life experiences, how to improve your life and history.
All right.
Okay.
And ma'am, talking about biographies and the inspirations you have had in life, which is your favorite personality or fictional character till now?
Fictional character, if you ask me, I feel Lord Krishna.
Okay.
I always like him. He was a great statesman. He was extremely compassionate.
Yeah.
And that character is very, very dear to my heart
Okay.
in real life.
All right, ma'am. And ma'am, please tell us about your journey from getting inspired by others to being an inspiration for millions today.
Very good question. You are the first person who asked me.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good question. When I was young, very young, naturally, I was with my grand Nana and Nani, I was in their house.
Okay.
So my Nana became my hero.
Yeah.
Like all girls, it will happen. So whatever he used to do, I used to do. He was very fond, he was a school teacher.
Okay.
He was very fond of Sanskrit. So I picked up Sanskrit.
Okay.
And religious books,
Yeah.
Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad, that way.
Huh.
Later, I stayed with my parents' house, in
Yeah.
my parents' house. My father was a doctor.
Okay.
He will help so many patients. He was an atheist actually.
All right.
And he will help many patients when they are in difficulties. And he used to tell me, for me, God means not in the church, temple or masjid. He is always with the patient.
Okay.
So that compassion to people who are suffering, my father became a hero.
Yeah.
Later I joined Telco, Tata's.
Uh-huh.
I always looked up to JRD Tata
Yes, ma'am.
because he was a leader in business,
Yeah.
a very good human being and a large-hearted person. After that in my life I realized, you don't require someone to be followed. You should improve yourself every day.
True.
Then, and when you go and work with your real heroes, then you will realize they are like you only.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay? The best is always you compete with yourself and be a better human being. But I prefer to look at all big people. Big does not mean achievement. People who are compassionate in nature and learn from them. Not all, some part of it.
Yes.
Because when you look at a person, there is no perfect.
Yes.
There is no perfection.
Yeah, sure.
There will be some good, some bad. So the best is you pick up only good things.
Yeah.
So I went on learning that. I don't know whether I'm inspiration to others or not, but I enjoyed my, competing with myself.
Yeah.
That helped me a lot to improve.
Okay. Ma'am, talking of Mr. Ma'am, I'll hold it, it's okay. Ma'am, talking of Mr. JRD Tata, he is yours and Mr. Murthy's mentor. And even at this stage of life, you maintain the respect and humility and touch his feet whenever you meet him. So for the kids here, can you please tell us, do you think this kind of humility is fading away from our generation, and what do you suggest them?
J.R.D. Tata died long back,
Yeah.
but Ratan Tata is
Ratan
there.
Tata
We touch his feet for various reasons. One is, in Sanskrit it says, if somebody is really good, Gunasthanam Nachalingam Navayam. If someone is really good, okay, you should not worry, oh, she's a female, he's a male, okay, he's younger than me, or he's a rich man, none of them. If the guna is good, then you should bow down to guna, not to that human being, bow down to guna, okay. So it is a part of our Indian culture. When you meet elderly person by age, or by nature, or by compassion, you should respect it by touching feet. I always like it. Now it is disappearing because mothers are not doing that. If mother is not doing, children don't follow.
Yeah.
Okay? If mother is doing that, children follow.
Yeah.
More than father, it's the mother who shapes and tells children, look, your dada has come, touch his feet. Okay, someone is a good, your teacher has come, touch his feet.
Yes.
Mother should insist and tell them, with their help in life, with their ashirwad, you can go. It is a mother who has to inculcate that habit
Sure, ma'am.
in them.
Ma'am, thank you. Among all of this, how can we forget everyone's favorite Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? We have been fortunate to have been published 23 books written by him. Please tell us about your interaction with him.
About 15 years back or maybe 18 years back, maybe 20 years back, He was a head of DRDO.
Yeah.
He was not president.
Okay.
And one day there was a phone call. In those days, the call is to go through operator.
Okay.
There was a call from his office. The operator said, Mr. APJ Kalam, Abdul Kalam wants to talk to Mrs. Murthy. I said, no, it's a wrong number. He wants to talk to Mr. Murthy. Probably you are mistaken.
Yeah.
Because, I don't have anything with such a big person.
Uh-huh.
He said, no, I specifically told Mrs. Murthy.
Yeah.
I said, okay. Then he said, sir, thank you. And namaste, I told him. I said, sir, why did you call me? I've never worked with you and I really did not know him. He said, I read your column in the Week magazine, IT Divide.
Yeah.
There is a column I used to, IT Divide, like, when IT people go to vegetable market, they don't even bother. They say, it's 200 rupees, chalo, 200, you will buy. Suppose normal people go, they said, why bhaiya, 200? They will choose the,
The good one.
good one.
Yeah.
And which most of us do when we go to shop.
Yeah.
Let me see this, let me see that. IT people won't do. So once I had been to shop and, I was talking to somebody, examination is coming near, because I used to teach in the university.
Yeah.
So he thought I'm a school teacher. And I asked him how mangoes cost. He said 100 rupees or something. After that, my student came, she is working in IT.
Okay.
And she said, how much mango cost? She said 150 or 200. She said, okay, pack 6, and then she took and went away. I told, bhaiya, just now you told me 100 rupees.
Yeah.
For her, you take 200. He said, ma'am, you are a school teacher. For you, the rate is 100. They are IT people. They get lot of salary. So I told 200.
Okay.
So this is the article I wrote, IT Divide. I never knew IT has made such a penetration even in the vegetable shop. And Abdul Kalam read that.
Yeah.
And then he felt very funny and he called me.
Okay.
Thus I came to know him. Later, when he became president, I went with him to Bihar to see some work and come back and help them.
Okay.
So that way I came, I worked for some time.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It is very inspirational, ma'am. Ma'am, you have written extensively about the importance of giving children space and allowing them to make mistakes. So, with reference to your experience of parenting, how can parents strike the right balance between being involved and being overbearing?
You have to do a trial and error, and again depends on the child.
Okay.
Some children listen, some children don't listen. When they don't listen, you can't do anything.
Yeah.
You can't hit.
Yes.
That's not a good practice. If you insist too much, then they will never do.
Yeah.
It depends on child, it depends on mother, both. Some wars you have to pick up, some wars you should not pick up.
Yeah.
For example, when it comes to eating, don't insist, eat parota, it's good for health. But of course, you should not allow to eat junk food.
Yeah.
But if the child likes rice and you want he should eat wheat, don't insist.
Okay.
And you cannot say you can't use computer, you can't use the digital media, you can't see Netflix series, you can't tell. You can ration it.
Yeah.
Like you can say 2 hours per week, 4 hours per week.
Yes.
So you have to make a balance, which works, which doesn't work.
Yeah.
Second thing, with children, we always think children are innocent. No, actually they are very smart.
They are smart.
They gauge father and mother both.
Yeah.
Suppose a child wants, all children are like that, huh? Suppose your child comes and tells, Amma, I want to buy something which will cost 1,000 rupees. You should say, why 1,000 is needed, not needed. Then the child will go to father. I said, Dad, I want that.
Yeah.
Father is working hard, comes home late, tired, he feels guilty. Okay, he says.
Yeah.
So the children decide with whom they should take. Sometimes the father says, I can't. Then they come to mom. Mom is also working nowadays.
Yeah.
She takes the metro, goes home tired. She says, Amma, I want 500 rupees sweet. She says, okay, let me give. So children see where the interest lies.
Yeah.
So I told Mr. Murthy, when I say no, you should say no. When you say no, I will say no.
Yeah.
So children should not go to,
The other one.
other way.
Yeah.
So husband and wife have to make this kind of decision.
Okay.
Okay, some you have to give in, some not always give in,
Yeah.
not always saying no.
Yeah.
Somewhere. It is a trial and error. It is a trial and error.
Yeah.
But bringing up children, today's generation is not easy. Because there is so much distraction. Mobile, TV, Netflix, TV games,
Yes.
okay, and availability.
Okay.
And you have one or two children, you also don't want to be strict with them.
Yeah.
But I tell mothers, be strict to an extent, not to break.
Yeah.
But say no, junk food not allowed. Every day you should play outside, then read something.
Yes.
So you should play that game depending on how the child reacts.
Yeah.
There is no general rule.
Okay. Um, Ma'am, coming back to your writings, to your books, you have been very diverse. From like kids' books to your biographies, your life, and the Teen Hazar Tanke, a serious book like that. So please, throw light on that, on your journey of writing.
Well, when I write adult book, for example, 3000 Tanke,
Yeah.
or Apna Deepak Swayam Bano, Bharat Punya Bhumi,
Ji.
all these titles, they are my experiences in Infosys Foundation and in life.
Yeah.
There is absolutely no masala.
Okay.
When I write for children, I become softened,
Yeah.
I want something of positive end, happy ending, funny.
Yeah.
Children like stories of misers.
Oh, huh.
And it is very difficult to write Maidar children, Maidar stories for children. In my last so many years, I must have written not more than 5 or 6.
Yeah.
Creating a Maidar story and which is funny, which children like, is not easy.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
So when I write to children, I'm a different person.
Yeah.
When I write novels, every novel will take 3 to 4 years for me to write.
Yeah.
When I write the true facts of life, like Anmol Prasann,
Yeah.
that will not take much time. So it depends on what genre I write.
All right. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, I would like to congratulate you on your recent nomination in Rajya Sabha. How has this new role impacted your life? And what are your main goals and priorities as an MP?
I never dreamt of becoming an MP in my life. I came to see new parliament one day for 2 hours. I think I wish sometime I should get 1 hour time. One day I should see that. I never knew that.
Yeah.
The advantage of being an MP, particularly nominated,
Yeah.
you get a platform for the national importance.
Yeah.
What you talk, whole country listens.
Yes.
Otherwise, I'll talk only with the kids, only with the small gathering.
Yeah.
But when you are a Rajya Sabha member, when you talk, it will reach thousands of people.
Yeah, sure.
And that time, if you talk the right thing, millions of people, it is the advantage.
Yeah.
Like I said, cervical cancer.
Yes.
Now, if it is given by the age between 9 and 14, all mothers sitting here, please be aware. You should give that vaccination to your children so that they will not get cervical cancer later part in their life. It was not there when you were kids, okay? It is there now.
Yeah.
You take advantage of that. So when I talk that from that platform, so many people listen.
Yes, ma'am.
That is an advantage.
Yeah.
Responsibility is you should talk the right one with the data, with authentication.
Yeah.
You can't do the loose talk, you can't do that. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, you have also recently joined social media. So, as someone who's new to this world, what are your thoughts on how young people in India should use this platform?
Actually, I never joined social media.
Okay.
And one day my secretary came and told me, ma'am, do you know there are 70 groups on Facebook? And everyone says Sudha Murthy original.
Yeah.
Sudha Murthy manager. And I did not know at all anything about this.
Yeah.
I think I don't require social media and I'm not fond of because I don't post anything.
Huh.
But when I became Rajya Sabha MP, officially they felt it I should have an official website because people may send wrong messages on these 70
Yeah,
groups,
yes,
no?
sure.
Then it becomes people believe it. So if I have my own site,
Yeah.
in that I'll give the right message, then people take others are fake or something.
Yeah.
But still I don't handle, but when I'm talking, they write it down or they video it and then they post it.
Yeah.
It is nice to have a social media probably when you are young and I don't get that kind of time. But you should not put too much.
Yes.
How many likes I have, what comments I have, how many followers you have. A whole world may be following, so what? May not follow, so what? You should have confidence within you. That is not rather than 100 people clicking it.
Yes.
Okay? People click, people don't click, it is not that. What you want to convey, it is the best platform to convey. but don't get hooked up to that.
Yeah.
How many likes, how many followers, don't do that.
There should be a balance between real
Balancing,
life and
again, what people follow, they are simply they may tick, no?
yeah.
So don't worry about that. What you want to convey, convey it so that it can reach many people. That's all.
Ma'am, there's a rapid fire round. Can we
No
play
problem.
a bit?
No problem.
So ma'am, your favorite movie? You can have the mic.
I cannot say one movie as a favorite. I'm born in 1950. So 50 to 60 I can tell, 60, 70, 70, 80. So I can't tell. I will tell you. Mughal-e-Azam was good. Lagan is good. Then Kabhi Kushi Kabhi Gum I liked. 12th Fail I liked.
Yeah.
There are many movies. There are many movies I like. Madhumati I liked. You have not even heard.
Yeah.
Then Tere Mere Sapne, not the recent one, 1965.
Yeah.
Okay, that one I have liked. Baiju Bawra I have liked. So many movies.
And my favorite actor?
Different time, different people.
Yeah.
When I was young, I liked Dilip Kumar.
Yeah.
He was fantastic, very good actor. Then for humorous character, I like Devanand.
Yeah.
He had very nice smile. Then I like Hrithik Roshan. Then whom I like nowadays, I used to like this fellow who committed, who died. No?
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Sushant Singh Rajput. He's a good actor.
Yeah.
Of course, I like Amir Khan. Amir Khan a lot. Good actor, very good actor.
Yeah.
In actress, I like Alia Bhatt.
Yeah.
She acts very well. Then I used to like Vaijayanti Mala, olden days.
Yes.
Then Kajol I like. She's a good actress.
Yeah.
Konkana Sen Sharma.
Yeah,
she's a good
very good
actress.
actor, yeah.
So, and I love Hindi movies.
Okay. Ma'am, we know that you are a foodie. So, what is your favorite dish? Or
Not one,
cuisine?
again, it depends where you are. For example, I don't like rice.
Okay.
I don't like, though South Indian, I never like rice.
Yeah.
I don't like the taste of rice.
Okay.
I like wheat, millet,
Yeah.
jawar, anything, any preparation.
Yeah.
I'm not, actually, when I grew up, there was no paneer in South.
Yeah.
After, I came, when I was 45 years old, I came to, there is an item by the name paneer exists. I never tasted in my life paneer. Then my daughter got married got into marriage with the Punjabi family.
Okay.
They said, how can you live without paneer? How can you live? I said, paneer हमारा इसमें नहीं है paneer.
Achha.
So I'm not very fond of because I never grew up with paneer.
Yeah. Okay.
But I like North Indian chana,
Yeah.
khichdi.
Okay.
But I'm a vegetarian, so any vegetarian combination in North India or South India I like.
Okay. And ma'am, favorite author?
Again, it depends, when I was their age, my authors are different. In
Yeah.
this age, different. If you ask me, my real favorite author all time is Kalidasa.
Okay.
I always enjoyed every play. To great extent, I have been influenced in Sanskrit.
Yes.
Kalidasa all time great.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I like sometimes different people. I like English authors. They write much
Yeah.
better, I feel.
Yeah. Okay.
And many books also. A Kingdom on Indus was a good book. 10,000 Miles Without a Cloud was a good book. There are many books, many authors. I can't
Okay.
single one person.
Okay. And any fictional character from your books? From
My-
your books?
From my books, maybe House of Cards. I
Okay.
don't know what is its equivalent in Hindi. I don't know. Not Dwandwa. Mridula is the character.
Okay.
Do you see my novel House of Cards in English? उसका ट्रांसलेशन आपने किया है? सुवर्ण रेखा नो, I don't know. हाँ?
अंडे से निकला आदमी.
नहीं, दैट इज पौराणिक है वो, लेकिन ये नॉवेल है.
Okay.
माँ का दुलारा वो भी नहीं. मृदुला इज द कैरेक्टर. मृदुला एंड डॉक्टर संजय. हाउस ऑफ कार्ड्स. यू हैव डन दैट. मृगतृष्णा. हाँ नहीं, वो माय फर्स्ट नॉवेल. और मे बी मृगतृष्णा, मे बी
उसको कुछ बोलना है.
ये क्या बोलना है बेटा?
मैं 4 years की हूँ.
What she has?
She's saying she's 4 years old.
Yeah, naturally. I'm 74 years old. I'm 4 years old. You are 4 and 74. So I'm younger than you. Huh? I'm younger than you. Okay. Children should be like that.
Yeah.
You must allow them to flower, you know. Don't say, don't talk. Okay, talk. Let them talk. And when they grow up, they will reduce. Yes, beta.
I have a question.
Tell me.
Ma'am, how many books have you published till now?
I have about 43 books altogether, but I have 300 titles. My every book has been translated into 10, 12 languages. Like Gopi book has 7. Yes, beta. You are 4 years old. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
My Myra Didi.
Ah,
For
ah,
is
ah,
Myra Didi.
ah. Myra Didi is that side. Ah,
Yes.
okay.
Now Shambhavi come. Please come.
Gopi book is in 7 languages: Kannada, Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, and Bengali.
Yeah.
English.
Okay.
So that way I have many titles. Yes, beta.
What is your favorite character in Gopi Diary?
Of course, Gopi. I love Gopi. It is okay. Let them ask. हाँ,
गोपी कितने साल का हो गया?
5 साल का है. Okay. Okay. हाँ.
Ma'am, few words about Prabhat Prakashan. Your
Well, I think I know Piyush ji for the last 25 years or even more, because my first book translation, Mahashweta,
Yeah.
was translated in Hindi, and it was published by Prabhat Prakashan. That time I did not know what was Prabhat Prakashan. I was in Bangalore. There was Mr. Pathak from Sulabh Shauchalaya. He said the good books book publisher in Hindi
Yeah.
is Prabhat Prakashan. So my book came, and after that every book of mine has come through Prabhat Prakashan. I don't have any other publisher in Hindi other than Piyush ji. I know Prabhat ji, but Piyush ji I know a lot more because I directly contact with him. Yeah.
You design the books, you not design the books.
No, I write. Yes.
My
I write.
sister for 5 years.
Okay, fine. I write the book, beta. I write the book, but your Chacha ji and all they sit down and see the title, what title should be given, and what cover should be done. They do. I only write. Okay. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Where?
Ask.
Who inspired you to become an author?
No, I like writing. I have a love for writing. To some extent, I say Ma Saraswati. The credit should go to Ma Saraswati because I like to write. Okay. Yes.
Like to write in English or Hindi?
Neither of them. Actually, English. Actually, I have a different way. When I write novels, I write in my mother tongue Kannada. But when I write other than novels, I write in English. I write in 2 languages. Okay. Yes.
Very, very important. How many sisters and how many struggles?
Sisters.
No struggles.
struggles.
Lot of struggles. Okay. I went to engineering college. I was the only girl. And I studied in Kannada medium school. I go to college, that's English medium. Then I go to a job where all were men. And I started Infosys with no money. But every struggle has helped me to realize, in life you can convert every difficulty into advantage. That I realized. Yes,
What is your favorite book?
difficult to tell. I have many favorite books.
Ma'am, which book did you write the first?
I wrote my first book when I was 29 years old, and the name of the book is From Beyond Atlantic in Kannada. It was a travelogue. I traveled on a backpack to America in 1979.
Where are you from?
I am from Karnataka, a state known as Karnataka. Karnataka has a river by the name Tungabhadra. I am on the upper side of the Tungabhadra. Okay. Yes.
आपको किन ने कहा था कि आपसे ये नहीं होगा?
कोई हमें कहा था, बहुत लोग कहते हैं ये नहीं होगा, लेकिन हमका आपके मन में है तो आप कर सकते हैं. हम इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया, उस समय सब मेरे पिताजी को बोलते थे, अरे वो लड़की आई भी नहीं है यूनिवर्सिटी में, ये कैसे करेगी, उधर टॉयलेट नहीं था, ये लड़की कुछ नहीं कर सकती है उधर, उसको बोल दो नहीं करने के लिए. हमने किया. Yeah. Yeah, anything? Yes, beta. Anything else? Over?
Ma'am, just a message for all the women.
Women over here, I consider women are smarter than men in general. Because God has wired them that way. They undergo difficulties in delivery, leaving their house and going to somebody else's house. However good your husband is, still you are leaving your parents and you are going. It is not easy. Like plucking a plant and replanting it, right?
Yeah.
And adjusting to their culture, their language, and their methodology of cooking, eating.
Yeah.
So she has to be very adaptable. And she is very hardworking because she has to, looking after children is not an easy job. You can work in office 9 to 5, but looking after children, giving them right education is a very difficult thing. So I consider women are stronger, but they don't understand their potential. They always think, oh, we are women, we can't do. You can do anything if you want, but your mind should be ready for that. कम हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, आप बताइए. हाँ?
आपकी बर्थडे डेट पूछ रही है.
मेरे बर्थडे. आप?
The day you were born.
No, she's asking something else. Yeah, the day I was born, 19th August.
मैम ये 13 अगस्त है.
Yeah, 4 दिन में. Birthday month, 19th August. I was on 19th August. In a village, at home.
Ma'am, what do you say? Can girls, can women do anything?
As long as it's legally, ethically right. Okay? Okay, kids. And, okay, anybody, elders, you want to ask any question? Elders? No? Anyone here? Okay then.
What message would you like to give to Prabhat Prakashan and his all team?
Staff.
Not a staff, man. We are all associates. There is no staff,
Staff.
no employee. We consider it to
Like
be
a family.
Family.
Yeah.
So what message would you like to give to Prabhat Prakashan?
Very difficult because you are such an established house since 1932. Another 8 years you will complete 100 years of publishing. So in an organization like Prabhat, what can I tell? But only one thing I want to tell, which I and Piyush always discuss. If the book is in English and you want to bring it to Hindi, always use English titles and Hindi titles so that people will buy. Okay. And you have to do a little more marketing. Because regional language marketing is not easy like English. English has all world readership, but still the readership in all, I mean, like what you said, 8 states they don't read. So little more on that, you have to schooling in school and all, you have to work on it. Yeah, thank you.
आप mostly
चले.
अपने घर में कौन सी लैंग्वेज में बात करते
कन्नड़ा, my mother tongue.
हैं? Excuse me, ma'am. How did you manage to write so many books?
Not 1 year, beta. I'm writing since 40 years. Not more, not 79 means 80, 20, 45 years. I'm writing since 45 years. So I write 1 book per year, more or less. Thanks.